Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can clear RAM memory in Android phone. So first up, open up your Android phone and go to your phone settings. Here on your settings, you just need to go here on top on About Phone. Now here, as you can see on your screen, you just need to find the version. So in this case, I'm using Xiaomi phone, so I'm going to tap on MIUI version several times. So when you tap it on several times, then it will enable the developer option. As you can see, you are now a developer. So go back to the main settings. Now we can use the search box right there at the top, and we can find here like running services. If you can't find these settings, you just have to go back and scroll down and find the additional settings. So tap on that, scroll down and find the developer options. Here on developer options, you just need to find the running services settings. But if you can't find the settings, all you need to do here is go to your Google Play Store. So open up your Google Play Store, use the search box right there at the top, and right here MIUI hidden settings application or APK or just MIUI hidden settings. Now here you will find this app. So all you need to do is just need to tap on install button. Now once done, tap on open. And here you just need to set this up. So just swipe to right and then tap on get started. And here we can basically find that settings. So tap on the search icon and type here running services. So once you tap on or once you type on the running services, then you will find that option. So here, as you can see, the second one. So tap on that. And then here it will open up all the application that using your ROM memory. So as you can see here, you just need to just force stop any application that you're not often using. So that's how you basically clear your RAM memory. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.